in energy scenarios such as hydropower, thermal power, wind power, energy storage, and nuclear power. The harsh industrial environment puts forward extremely high requirements for communication systems. Stable and reliable communication is the core foundation to ensure safe production, efficient collaboration, and rapid emergency response. J&R technology in dealing with complex and demanding energy situations, building an all-in-one comprehensive solution that integrates voice communication, unified dispatching, industrial broadcasting, and intelligent linkage. The system features a three-tier architecture comprising the core control layer, transmission network layer, and terminal device layer, which fulfills core objectives including centralized management, distributed deployment, full area coverage, and multi-system linkage. Servers, industrial switches, and communication management platforms are deployed in the core computer room. The system is built based on SIP protocol, supporting up to 1,000 terminal accesses and 200 simultaneous calls. It is fully equipped with functions including concurrent calling, group calling, call transfer, audio and video recording, and data statistics, realizing centralized and visualized management of the communication system through the visualized dispatching platform. The dispatching center can grasp the operating status, call information, and on-site environment of all terminals in real time, realize rapid command and dispatching, and greatly improve the efficiency of daily operation and maintenance and the speed of emergency response. Equipped with explosion-proof and waterproof communication and broadcast terminals, the system achieves full blind spot-free coverage for power plant scenarios. It supports zoned and full-site remote broadcasting and emergency announcements with hierarchical broadcast priority to ensure priority delivery of emergency information. The system supports remote intelligent O&M with automatic heartbeat reporting every 60 seconds and automatic fault location and aggregation. Maintenance personnel can complete equipment inspection and fault troubleshooting remotely, eliminating the need for on-site one-by-one checks and significantly cutting the labor and time costs of on-site maintenance. This solution has been fully implemented and delivered in various energy projects. The complete three-tier communication framework, explosion-proof and waterproof terminals, and dispatching platforms have been deployed in numerous projects worldwide. With proven stability and reliability, the solution supports fast replicated rollout. J&R technology industrial communication solutions are widely used in demanding industrial environments such as oil and gas forms, chemicals, mining, metallurgy, heavy industry, and offshore drilling platforms, providing stable and reliable communication support for global industrial scenarios.